Dictionary is a data collection data type where each element contains a key and value pair. Keys in dictionary differentiate it from other data collection data types like list, tuple, and set. We studied how to declare a dictionary and how to access its elements. We will now learn how to add, update, and remove the dictionary elements. Hello everyone, welcome to Python session. In this session, we will learn how to add and update a dictionary. Just consider books as our dictionary with the key book_name and the value as Python for beginners. Also add a price key with the value 250 like this. Now suppose you want to add a new key as author with value PK Rangarajan. To add these keys and values, we will write dictionary variable name, that is books, and in square bracket write the name of our new key, author, and then assign the value PK Rangarajan. In the next line, print the variable books. Run the code. You see the new element with the key author. Well, this was easy. Like adding, updating element in the dictionary is super easy. Suppose you want to change the price to 300. We will write books and in square bracket specify the key, that is price, and then assign the new value 300. Then print the dictionary variable books. Run the code. Well, our value of key price is updated. Well, we studied how to add an element in dictionary and update the dictionary. And I think it's pretty simple. Now, we will see how to remove the element from the dictionary. Well, Python provides 4 methods to remove the element from dictionary. That is pop, popitem, del and clear. Let's see them one by one. The pop function of dictionary removes the element from dictionary based on the key. Consider our dictionary with key, book name, price and author like this. In the next line, write books.pop and in bracket pass the key price. Then print the dictionary. Run the code. You see the key price along with its value is removed from the dictionary. Well, pop is very simple. You just have to pass the key. The next function is popitem. Popitem removes the dictionary's last key value pair. Let's understand this with an example. This is our dictionaries with keys, book name, price and author and their respective values. Now write books.popitem followed by brackets. In the following line, print the variable books. Run the code. You see popitem deleted the last key value from the dictionary. I hope you understood pop and popitem. Another function to delete the key value pair is del. The pop and popitem are part of the dictionary. In contrast, del is not the part of dictionary data type. Let's understand this with an example. Again, we will consider our dictionary books. In the next line, write del and in brackets write dictionary variable name, that's book, and then pass the key author in square brackets. Now print the dictionary books. Run the code. See, the key author is removed. Here we are passing the address of the key author in dictionary books. Well, pop and popitem and del deleted one element from the dictionary. To remove all the elements from dictionary, we have a clear function. I hope you remember this clear function from our previous session of list and set. Consider our dictionary books, then call the function clear on book like this. Then print the dictionary. Now run the code. Well, our dictionary is empty. Well, we studied how to add the key value pair in the dictionary and how to update the values. We studied 4 different functions to remove the element from the dictionary. Please practice them well if you want to remember them. That's the only way out. All the practice examples are available in this URL. Thanks.